till sunshine. Like you see how people is down, they're on the inside. Here and where the story ends.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been about a month since I last uploaded, but I'm trying my best to slowly get back into the groove of uploading. You know, life has been throwing different things at me and I've been trying to adjust. And as y'all can see, I've been doing a terrible job seeing as I have not posted in a while, but I'm trying my best to hopefully start posting a little bit more consistently. But anyways, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am doing a really simple look for you guys. I wanted to come back and at least do a creative look, but nothing too much. Okay, stick around for some of my future videos because one of my next videos is going to be about me winning a makeup contest, and then I'm thinking about doing a anime inspired makeup look. So yeah, I've actually already done another anime inspired makeup look. I will link that video up in the corner. But yeah, I really want to do that, so stick around and you will see those fun videos coming up soon, hopefully in the next few weeks if I upload consistently. Now that I've got all my greetings out the way, I'm going to be talking like a lot throughout this video about different things that interest me. So since I was younger, I used to love to watch people make stories out of the games I played. I used to play Minecraft a while back, and 𝘠𝑚 was one of my favorite YouTubers because she made these awesome stories out of just a simple game like Minecraft, right? And I've been looking for creators who can either match up to her level or do better, right? And I just haven't found anyone that does that yet. But the mark that she's left on the Minecraft roleplay community is just so insane, and I can go on and on and on about this, and that is for another video. Maybe on my gaming channel I'll make a video about that, but not right now. And now I play Roblox a lot, right? So I'm now looking for someone who makes good Roblox roleplays, right? And I've found a few, but they just don't give all the way, not like how 𝘠𝑚 did. Okay, I found a few like I forget their name. I'll put their name up on the screen. I found a few that I did actually like, but I mean, theirs was nice too, but theirs was like a different genre, if that makes any sense, right? I've actually been watching this person a few years back, but they kind of changed their content a little bit and I am loving it. Okay, her name is 𝑦𝑡𝐴, I believe that's how you pronounce it, and I used to watch her a while back. Please don't watch her if you're not like over 18. She's a little bit, I don't really know how to describe it, y'all. It's just, you just have to watch out, okay? But I really do like her stuff. It's funny and it's kind of immature, but it's funny, okay? Kind of, okay? Maybe I'm immature, and maybe that's why I like it. But she recently made this roleplay, and y'all, I literally loved it so much. And she is literally what I've been looking for such a long time. I will reiterate that I am kind of exaggerating when it comes to me talking about her roleplays and it not being for someone under the age of 18. But I will definitely say that her roleplay video, I watched this one exactly, this one that's on the screen, and the way it was filmed, it was just amazing. The voice acting, the model acting, just everything was awesome, and I really love it, and it is literally what I've been looking for. The story is one that we've all heard before, but I'm trying to tell you guys right now that the way that she filmed this was literally awesome, okay? Like the music, everything, it just all came together to make the roleplay in general just so awesome, guys. Okay, we're gonna stop talking about this for a little bit just to tell you about this glitter that I'm about to use. It is so pretty. This is a 𝘠𝑚 glitter, and I got it from Yesstyle. You guys can use the code that is literally on the screen right now. You can save like, I think it's 3 or 4% on your next order. I know it's a little bit, but saving money is better than saving none. Whenever I do order from Yesstyle, I always use someone's code no matter what, because saving money is better than saving none. Okay, but look how pretty this glitter is, you guys. It really made this look just sparkle so much, and it just looks so gorgeous. It's a shifting glitter, so it looks pink and then it looks yellow or nude beige some other times. Look at that, so cute. Anyways, I linked that product down in my description. You guys can go ahead and go check that out. Y'all, look at this. Does anyone else still have this palette? This palette is literally ancient. I will never let it go because it has the cutest colored highlighters, and they come in handy like in times like this. Okay, back to what I was saying about the roleplay stuff, y'all. If you have any like Roblox or Minecraft roleplayers that you really like, I want to know, okay? I want to go into, but maybe I'll go into it on like my gaming channel, like I said before. No medieval roleplays, y'all. I do not like medieval roleplays, y'all. They actually annoy me so much. Y'all, I'm just talking back to back. I'm not gonna go too in depth about the medieval roleplays, but just know 𝘠𝑚 has literally set y'all in a cage with the medieval roleplays, and no one steps a foot out of the cage. Everyone does the same exact thing as 𝘠𝑚, or they do something extremely similar. I'm tired of the same stories. I'm tired of the medieval knights and the magic, and like I'm tired of it. And then don't get me started with like the school Minecraft roleplays. Like Oh, I'm the new girl. I'm the special new girl. I'm so tired of you guys. Like, genuinely, it bothers me so much. Okay, so anybody that has any type of good roleplay, like Yuina low-key plays the like, oh, I'm the new unique girl at the school, but it's good, you know. And I do actually want to talk about the 𝐒𝐫𝐞𝐝 copycat thing. I do really want to talk about that, but I'll do that on a gaming channel if you guys would like to see that. But yeah, you guys, any of the products that I use in this video that I got from Yesstyle, I will be linking them down in the description, okay? Just like this mascara, you guys, it is so pretty and it's a nice color of brown. And I absolutely adore how thin the brush is. Look how cute they make my eyelashes look. Here I am back with my lashes on. I actually had to coat the lashes in my brown mascara and then I put them on my eyelid. They're super tiny, but they just add a little bit to this look that I think is absolutely perfect. Okay, we're almost done. Here I am with this lippy. I used this really nice NYX butter gloss. It's really shiny and I applied it kind of weird because I wanted to show you guys how shiny it was, but kind of backfired. You guys really didn't see too much. I'm gonna talk about 𝐿𝐷𝐻𝑎𝑑𝑜 Lady. I consider 𝐿𝐷𝐻𝑎𝑑𝑜 Lady to be a Minecraft role player because she plays a role, but it's so simple, you know. It's like a let's play, but she still plays a character, and that's why I love 𝐿𝐷𝐻𝑎𝑑𝑜 Lady. To this day, I still watch her. Okay guys, I'm finished with the makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. Please either leave a cake slice comment or a ice cream comment so I can see who watched till the end. Thank you so much for tuning in, and hopefully I will see you guys next week if I am still being consistent. If you guys like these videos of me just like talking back to back, tell me that also in the comment section. And I will see you guys on my next video. Hopefully that's next week. Hopefully, guys. See y'all then.